happened? This was supposed to be our special day.
I know. I feel terrible.
Tornado emergency for Tupelo. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi, central Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Tishomingo County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Prentiss County in northeastern Mississippi, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Tupelo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Tupelo. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Tupelo, Baldwin, Verona, Tom Bigby State Park, Tishomingo State Park, Saltillo, Guntown, Belmont, Plantersville, Nantucket, Tishomingo, Burton, Pratt's Friendship, Sandy Springs, Marietta, Golden, Dayton, Thrasher, Dennis, and Moorville. People attending Tupelo COVID-19 testing should seek safe shelter immediately.